Okay, so we are group 10 and we're going to discuss about the innovation audit framework. And using this framework, we're going to discuss about the different different products that Amazon offers. So next slide. So firstly, let's talk about innovation. Basically, innovation is a product of invention and commercialization. As you know, invention is the first occurrence of any idea of for any product or service, and commercialization is bringing that new product into the market. So next slide. So basically, innovation audit framework has got three axes. So on x-axis you have got nature of innovation, and on y-axis you have got type of innovation, and z-axis you have got locus of innovation. So let's discuss about all these three in detail. So next slide. So coming to types of innovation, basically we have got 9 types of innovation. Firstly, marketing or branding innovation. Basically, these type of innovations help the product or service get differentiated from your competitors during the buying process. And coming to product innovation, this type of innovation helps to create a new product or redefine the existing product by adding new feature to it. And coming to service innovation, these services these are services offered during the innovation process that add value to the customers. They help companies to gain competitive advantage, also helps to amplify the value of the offering. And coming to the customer channels innovation, these innovations help both customers and companies benefit from get the benefit out of it, and they encompass all the ways in which you connect your company offerings with your customers. And coming to the process innovation, in this type of innovation, companies try to create new or significantly improved product or delivery system. And next is business profit model innovation. And during this innovation, companies try for a conscious change of an existing business model or creating of a new business model that better satisfies the customer needs. And coming to management structure innovation, these type of innovations are focused on organizing companies assets that are both tangible and intangible. And coming to technology innovation, they these are new technologies that can be introduced during the production or consumption of a product. And finally, network innovation. As you know, for any innovation, network is an essential thing, and it helps to introduce create bond between the people, and it helps to introduce different point of view during the process of innovation. So now my colleague will take over.
So now we will discuss about nature of innovation. So basically there are three types of nature of innovation. So refers to the innovation that makes expensive product which were previously affordable by only upper class strata to be able to make it available to the broader population. So examples Amazon and Netflix. Then we have efficiency innovation. So efficiency innovation takes the form of a process improvement, or they try to make a more structured business model. So Walmart comes under this category. Then sustainable innovation. So this type of innovation improves in improving the features and quality of the product or the services that the company currently offering. So like example, upgrading a product to a newer version. So suppose consumer who bought Toyota Prius before, they will be unlikely to buy Toyota Camry. Now we will discuss locus of innovation. So locus of innovation first is small groups. So a new analysis have shown that many innovations happen from lone researchers or people in a small group. So the more the innovative innovation and findings, more the disruption, more the smaller groups have uh, if, but, more smaller groups have researched about it. And then we have a business ecosystem. So the network of organization, including suppliers, distributors, customers, etc., involved in the delivery of a specific product or service. Through they involve both through both competitiveness and cooperation. So example includes platform-based ecosystem, Apple or Google, and then we have startup-based ecosystem, which is Udemy and Reminder Canvas. Then we have project. So project that focus on thinking differently and more creatively about how to utilize their resources and how it affects the environment. So example again is Google. And then the last we have organization. So organizational innovation is termed as adoption of new production technology or management technology, so to improve the production process and utilization of tangible and intangible resources. Example includes Microsoft and Samsung. My colleague will take it forward.
Yeah, let's discuss about Amazon now. So Amazon offers various products. First, it started as e-commerce website where it connect huge number of retailers and customers. It became a very successful one that it made the CEO the world richest person. Now after that, it jumped into various products like Amazon Kindle. Uh, Amazon Kindle is a device which allows the user to read books online. So, which was a very innovative product at that time. So later, it introduced Amazon Alexa and Amazon Prime, which is a trending part now. Basically, in Amazon Prime is a OTT platform where the user can stream all the web series and the movies which it offers. Moreover, adding to that, Amazon itself has its own web series which is streamed in Amazon Prime. So it has made it efficient in this way. So there are so many other products also, and as per the report in the last 12 months, it can be seen that in online stores, it has generated a revenue of 197 billion, which is the highest, followed by third-party service, Amazon Web Series, subscription service, and many other things. Next slide, please.
So I will be taking the various Amazon businesses and we will be mapping them into the innovation audit framework. So first would be the Amazon e-commerce platform. So e-commerce platform would come under the type of innovation is markets, customers, and channels. Locus of innovation is business ecosystem, and level of innovation is disruptive. So Amazon e-commerce platform is the largest e-commerce platform in the world, which connects millions of sellers and buyers on their platform. Amazon has millions of product listings on their platform, and through their fulfillment centers and distribution channels is able to serve millions of customers. So through its product cataloging on its e-commerce platform, Amazon was able to show millions of products without managing the physical store for it, and thus serving broader customer base and markets. The locus of innovation is the whole business ecosystem of producers, suppliers, distributors, and consumers that engage with that platform. Next slide. So here we can see the worldwide retail e-commerce sales of Amazon from 2017 to 2021. So in 2017, it was around $246 billion. So the projection of 2021 retail e-commerce sales are $468 billion. Next would be the Amazon Prime Video. So Amazon Prime Video will, according to our innovation audit framework, will fall into the type of innovation would be the business model. The locus of innovation would be the business ecosystem, and the nature of innovation is disruptive. So Amazon Prime Video, as we all know, is the American subscription video on demand over the top streaming and rental service of Amazon.com, offered as a standalone service as a part of Amazon's Prime subscription. The service primarily distributes films and television series produced by Amazon Studios or licensed to Amazon as Prime originals or exclusives, with the service also hosting content from other providers, content add-ons, and live sporting events. So Amazon Prime Video emerged as a major disruptor to the traditional cable TV providers, movie theater operators, and the DVD rental industry. Its business model is linked to the subscription charges provided by the Prime members. Its locus of innovation is business ecosystem because of the various entertainment production houses that have license agreements with Amazon Prime Video for distribution. So here we can see the Amazon Prime households stats, where the black histogram is showing the absolute number of households using the Amazon Prime, and the red trend line is showing the number of percentage of total households. Here we can see that the projected 2021 figure is 56.9% of how Amazon US households will be using the Amazon Prime. Next slide, please. So here we have taken Amazon Alexa for the analysis on the innovation audit framework. So here the type of innovation is technology, locus of innovation is projects, and nature of innovation is efficiency. So Amazon Alexa, as we all know, is a virtual assistant AI technology developed by Amazon. So it is capable of voice interaction, music playback, making a to-do list, and providing news and weather forecasts. So the type of innovation is the technology as it is related to the technological developments of virtual assistant, AI, natural language processing, etc. The locus of innovation is at the project level, as more than 10,000 employees worked on the Alexa project itself. The nature of innovation can be defined as efficiency innovation, as it serves the same customers in providing the services such as news, weather updates, voice control of electrical devices in an easy and efficient manner. So analyzing the Amazon's track record, Amazon's Alexa, the number of third-party skills available for Amazon's virtual assistant Alexa has been increasing very well. So now in quarter 2 17, there are more than 15,000 skills that the Amazon Alexa could provide. Next, my friend Shubham will take over.
Next, we have one of the most important devices of Amazon, that is the Amazon e-reader Kindle. So the type of innovation, that is the x-axis, is the product. The locus of innovation, that is the y-axis, is the projects, and the level of innovation, that is the z-axis, is its disruptive nature. Amazon Kindle is a series of e-readers designed and marketed by Amazon. Amazon Kindle devices enable users to browse, buy, download, and read e-books, newspapers, magazines, and other digital media via wireless networking to the Kindle store. The type of innovation is the product developed by Amazon that enables e-book, newspaper, and magazines. The locus of innovation can be defined as the project, and the level of innovation is disruptive, as Amazon was able to provide the Kindle reader with extremely low prices with the help of scalable technologies such as cloud services, thus broadening the overall market base. Here in the graph, you can see the percentage of users in US using different types of e-readers, and Amazon Kindle no doubt has the greatest market share among all. Next, we move on to Amazon Web Service. Amazon Web Service is another important business arm of the Amazon. Its type of innovation is service, its locus of innovation is projects, and the level of innovation is efficiency. Amazon Web Service is the world's most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud platform, offering over 200 fully featured services from data centers globally. The services are used by millions of customers, which include startups, large enterprise, and leading government agencies. The type of innovation is service, as it provides uh, services such as data storage, database management, content delivery, deployment, management, computing, etc. The locus of innovation is project, as it is handled by separate subsidiary of Amazon. The level of innovation is efficiency, as it makes the service of data storage, management, content delivery, analytics very efficient, agile, and cost effective for scaling to the customer's base. The Amazon Web Service is the leading cloud. It's a leading service in the cloud market, and in 2020, the revenue generated was 45 billion US dollars. Thank you.